Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Geniuslink for affiliate click tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Geniuslink for affiliate click tracking, begin by visiting the Geniuslink website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Settings tab on your dashboard. Look for the Affiliate Settings section. Click on the Add Affiliate Network option. You will see a list of available affiliate networks. Select the affiliate network you wish to authorize. Follow the prompts to connect your affiliate account. This usually requires you to log into your affiliate account. If prompted, grant Geniuslink the necessary permissions. Confirm the authorization by clicking on the verification link sent to your email. Return to the Geniuslink settings page. Ensure that your affiliate network is listed under Connected Accounts. To test the setup, create a test link using your authorized affiliate network. Click the link to check if the tracking is functioning correctly. Review your Geniuslink dashboard for any click tracking reports. Make adjustments as necessary for optimal performance. Once everything is verified, you can begin using Geniuslink for your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay informed on updates and best practices by checking Geniuslink's resources regularly. This completes the process of authorizing Geniuslink for affiliate click tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.